Start the recording. Cool. Let's get started. Just in the interest of time. Do we have any new faces today? No. Okay, cool. So let's get started with the outstanding project level RFCs. Cool. Okay, so we only have the Get Buildpack one. It looks like maybe we can come back to this when Ryan gets back. If he has, I think he was the last one who had updates here. So let's save that. Let's go on to our language specific RFCs, which we have none of. Okay. Okay, so the only agenda topic we have today is, can we give Paketo bot GitHub token workflows access? Who put this up?
I put that up there. There's that org-wide Paketo bot GitHub token that we use in a bunch of our workflows, and it doesn't have workflows access. So when we're trying to commit workflows automatically back to our repo, it fails. I spoke to Emily about this briefly. We weren't sure if there's a reason why it doesn't have workflows access, or we can give it workflows access, or should we be making a separate token for this? Does anyone have any context on that?
I seem to remember that we were running into the same problem recently inside of the past few weeks. I think Ryan has context on what actually fixed this problem, or maybe Sophie, do you remember when we were getting all those errors of like, can't make a commit because this bot doesn't have workflows access or whatever?
Yeah, that we did see that the other day. I don't remember exactly what the fix was. It might have had something to do with us using Scopio login instead of a Docker login or something, but I feel like we should double check with Ryan exactly what the fix was there. Although I'm surprised that if it's the same token that we're using in our workflows, like that it doesn't work.
Unless that's not the token you all use. I didn't see any other org level token that made any sense to use. But do you guys have a repo specific token that you use maybe? No. Okay. Well, I guess talk to Ryan separately then.
Yeah, I can look into it after this meeting and we can chat about that.
Awesome, thank you.
Cool. Is there anything anybody else wants to chat about? Otherwise, we can wait for Ryan to talk about the Git build pack, or we can end early. I'll take that. Silence is a no. Looking at the Git build pack, I don't really see any updates here. Looks like Ryan updated it 5 days ago.
Just to summarize what it says here for everybody, it seems like a lot of the conversations in the threads we're going to punt and not make part of the approval process here, which I think makes sense. There are a lot of interesting discussions, but I don't think their outcome needs to be decided before, in order for us to decide whether we want to accept this build pack or not. But Ryan was requesting we work out the names for the existing environment variables. So I think that's the state of the world right now.
Cool. So are we just waiting for those changes?
It looks like since that comment, if I'm looking at this commit message that showing up at the end, has been changed. So I can go through and add my approval because it looks good to me and I hadn't seen that commit come in.
Awesome.
I dug up the pull request that I think fixed the problem you were seeing, Marty. Let me, I'll just message it here.
Awesome, thank you.
it seems like it's specifically using the token when checking out the repo.
Cool. Okay, thank you.
I think, hey Ryan, so we had just discussed the Git RFC, and I think Emily summarized and said that we were just waiting for like that last environment variable commit to come in, which it looks like Jen put in. So I think Emily is going to approve that. Do you have anything else you wanted to add?
The only thing I didn't see when I last looked at it, and this may have changed, was that there wasn't like a team designation for the repo. I know that I said it in a comment, but I'd like to see it in the RFC just so that it's recorded somewhere.
Cool. Well, I think that's everything we had on the agenda for today. So that's it. Thank you everyone for coming. Bye.